hard to imagine a worse commute today. There was a chain reaction because of all the bad weather, and it made things completely miserable for drivers and commuters on public transit. The San Francisco Bay Ferry had to suspend its service for hours. They tweeted out video of the choppy conditions to explain why. And in the past hour, the Bay Bridge finally reopened after the wind caused a big rig to overturn on the lower span during peak rush hour. As a result, BART stations were absolutely packed. This was the commute crowd at the Rock Ridge station tonight. Betty live in San Francisco for us right now. She's been basically running around town all day tracking all of this. Betty, I can tell from your live shot, I know it's still raining, but this is a big improvement, right?
That's definitely right, Sarah. The rain and the winds are pretty moderate at this hour. That certainly wasn't the case during the evening commute. And just to give you an idea of how intense things were, we spent about 2 hours in traffic going 2 miles down the Embarcadero. Hurricane-like winds whipped up waves on the bay and knocked down giant trees along the Embarcadero. A big rig overturned on the Bay Bridge to Oakland, snarling traffic for hours. Pedestrians also proved to be no match against the sudden windstorm. People struggled to walk and clung onto street posts to keep their balance.
It's been a blustery day and nothing like I've ever seen before here in San Francisco.
The San Francisco ferry canceled several trips due to rough waters and damaging winds, forcing commuters like Todd Statz and Keith Mutzman to take a bus shuttle to Marin.
4 or 5 blocks that I saw 5 or 6 trees down, which I've never seen in San Francisco before.
Yeah, I actually watched a tree break in the wind.
Did you?
Right on 3rd and Mission. It was kind of like monsoon weather going on this afternoon.
3 industrial barges also slammed into the 3rd Street Bridge next to Oracle Park. The impact wrecked the wooden planks and broke part of the railing. Several road closures slowed traffic right at the start of the evening commute.
I mean, road closures on every block, trees blocking the road. I mean, it's impossible to drive today in San Francisco, let alone boat or anywhere. I mean, it's impossible to get home.
The windows on our 28th floor of the building that we work at were literally shaking. And when we were looking outside the window, we could see waves crashing on the pier. And it looked crazy. It looked apocalyptic.
Thank you.
Todd said he'll be getting home to Fairfax at least 4 hours later than expected.
I was in a meeting all day, and then I kept getting these alerts on my phone of like wires down, accident, da-da-da-da. I was like, okay, something's going on out there. And then I walked outside, and it was just like a hurricane.
Okay, so this is unusual for us. Betty, I know you lived in Miami for a while. I lived in Houston, where this kind of thing is a little bit more common. So how did today's storm compare to your time there?
Well, certainly I covered a lot of tropical storms during my time there, and the winds were very, very similar today. And I have to say, during the height of the storm, I almost felt like I went airborne, like Mary Poppins. I was sliding all over the street. It was unreal, the force of these winds that we felt out here today. Sarah?
I would have to agree. I mean, the winds along the Embarcadero today were some of the strongest I've ever felt. Betty, thanks for dealing with all of that for us to bring us the story. We owe you big time.